T. Montgomery, T like the drink. I am a creative entrepreneur, born and raised in New Haven. And I do a few things now. My artistic focus currently is making wearable art, so clothing and accessories for universal bodies, so men, women, and children. And now I'm actually focusing a little more on installation art, creating sets, entire sets where people can come and experience it as a whole as opposed to just the clothing or just the painting. I've made music my entire life. I cook, I paint, I sculpt. So there are a few different paths that brought me to where I am now. Initially, it's just a journey of self-discovery. Tried to take the traditional routes of going to college, undergrad, going to grad school, trying to work my way up the corporate ladder, and then finding myself in a place where I wasn't really enjoying it. Anything, I was constantly stressed. Felt like I reached a ceiling that I couldn't get past, and also wasn't really using my actual talents and gifts. So I was just trying to figure out that. And then I realized that people pay you for what they know you for. And so I asked people what they know me for. And I've always had my own sense of style. So that was one of the things, curating experiences, bringing people together, creative solutions to problems. So that made me start thinking about how I can kind of get paid for my style by making my own clothes, people seeing me in it, stopping me on the streets and such. And then again, people already associating me with style. It was no surprise that I was making my own clothes. It was expected. And so it got to a point where I was making other people more stuff than I was making it for myself. And then that's when I decided to make it a business. Really, I just tried it. I used YouTube University to learn how to thread the machine and such. And then once I was able to lock that down, I started creating my own patterns, my own shapes, and going with whatever's in my head. So I'm still teaching myself. Everything new that I make is a challenge, and that's really how I've been able to get better and become as good as I am now. And then that also helped me to really differentiate myself and find my own style, my own look, fits, and cuts. So definitely on website and all the social media, it's Threads by T, T-E-A. And then I'm starting to put product in stores around New Haven. So right now I have some in Bloom. I have some in More and More Boutique, which is downtown. I'm dropping some off to Noir Vintage, which is a new store downtown. I'm gonna have some of my bags, my leather goods in Neville Wisdom, which is downtown. And then I'm looking to expand around Connecticut and then other states as well. So it's Threads by T everywhere, you'll be able to find me.